Little chick woke up at the farm, peeped out the coop, full of charm. Cluck, 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 I wanna see what fun and funny things there might be. Peep, peep, hop, hop, flippy flop, little chick is on the hop. The silly farm friends. She waddled past the sleepy cow. Moo at the cow. Wow, look now. She bounced by piglets in muddy puddles, slipped and slid in funny muddles. Peep, peep, hop, hop, flippy flop, watch little chick go tip top. The curious rabbit. Rabbit twitched his ears and said, "Where are you going, little thread?" Chick hopped in a haystack high. Hay flew up, oh me, oh my. Peep, peep, hop, hop, flippy flop, little chick can't seem to stop. The pond surprise. She waddled to the pond with glee, saw the duck swimming quack with me. She tried to fly, just flaps and spins, splash into the water, she dives in. Peep, peep, hop, hop, flippy flop, little chick goes plop, plop, plop. The happy ending. Chick climbed out all wet but glad, wiggled her feathers happy and not sad. Farm friends laughed, it was a sight. Chick's tiny adventure ends tonight. Peep, peep, hop, hop, flippy flop, little chick's adventure won't stop.